Hey guys, welcome to the level 2 calculus preparation questions. This is question 4 in this series. So today's question is this one. As usual, pause the video, try the question out by yourself and see how far you can actually go with this question. Okay, so what we have is we got a tangent to the graph of the function 2x squared minus 4x. So as a gradient of 4. So we've got this parabola here, which is going to be in the blue line. And we have a particular point, and that's the green colored point there, and on that point we have a tangent that has a gradient of 4. The next thing also is that we also have a purple point, which is going to be A8, that's on the tangent itself. Okay, and we're trying to figure out what the A value is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and first work out what the gradient function is. So the normal function is 2x squared minus 4x. So when I differentiate it, I end up with 4x minus 4. Now, at this point, I know that the gradient is equal to 4. And I want to know what's the x value when the gradient is equal to 4. So I write down 4 is equal to 4x minus 4. Rearranging it, I've got 4 plus 4 equals 4x. And then 4x is equal to 8, and then x is equal to 8 divided by 4, so x is equal to 2. So what I've actually discovered is the green point's x coordinate, which happens to be 2. Now if I want to actually find out what the y value is, I need to substitute 2 into f of x. So because f of x will give me what, if I put down a particular x value, it'll give me the y value. I actually need to figure out what f of 2 is. So when I do that, I'm actually going to get 2 multiplied by 2 squared minus 4 times 2. And so when I do this, 2 times 2 squared is 8, minus 8 is 0. So what I've discovered right now is that the y value of the green point is 0. Okay, now the orange line has an equation of y equals to mx plus c. Now I actually have a point, which is the green point is what I'm going to use, because that's the orange line is actually going through the green point, which also has a gradient of 4. And using these three things, I could work out what the c value is. So I've got 0 is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 2 plus c. And I've got 0 equals 8 plus c, and so c is equal to minus 8. So my equation for the orange tangent, or the orange line in this case, is y is equal to 4x minus 8. So now using this, I can actually figure out what the value of a is, because notice that the A8, the purple point, is on the orange line. So I've got y equals to 4x minus 8. I know what the y value is. The y value is 8 in this case, and that's equal to 4 times x minus 8. But x, I know what x has to be replaced with a. So then what we have is 8 plus 8 equals 4a, and then 4a is equal to 16, and 16 divided by 4 equals a. Therefore, we can say that a is equal to 4. Okay guys, that is basically it for this little video here. I know it looks quite long, but I would actually say the best thing for you to do this would be to draw a simple little diagram like this and then kind of just work around from it. Okay, so if you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and of course don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.